Hi guys, Celai here, and welcome back to my beauty series. So today we are going to be making a rosehip toner. So our special guest is Witch Hazel, and as you can see, it is alcohol free, and we're going to be using this as the base instead of aloe vera. And so we're going to be using it alcohol free because alcohol can dry your skin. But Witch Hazel can moisturize your skin without drying it, so you know it's a win-win. And it evens your skin tone, and it sucks up all the extra oil on your skin. So it's not too oily, but it has enough oil for your skin. Witch Hazel is a great toner because it fades dark spots and shrinks pores. And for our main ingredient is rosehip extract. It is rich in both vitamin A and C. It brightens skin and helps with skin regeneration. All right, let's get started. So this is the container that we're going to be using, and it is 3 fluid ounces. And if we're going to be making a 5% solution, that means that we have to use 4.5 milliliters of the extract. All right, so let's get started. Let me smell it. I'm not gonna lie, it actually kind of smells like roses. Okay. No. This isn't working, Mom. Okay, anyway, we're just gonna go with it now. Okay. Now. Okay. Well, this is the 4.5 milliliters. Yeah. Okay. Now it is time to add our Witch Hazel. It smells like Witch Hazel without the, you know, alcohol. Okay. Now that that's done, I've spilled some. Okay, now I gotta shake it. Make sure everything. And yeah, so this is our final result. You can still see that it's still like the same color as the extract. Let me smell it, see if it smells like a mixture. Yeah, I definitely can like smell the Witch Hazel because you know that was like most of the whole container. But yeah, it smells kind of weird, but it's Witch Hazel. Anyway, so now let's put this on my face with using a cotton ball. You could use whatever, I don't know. Where's the, okay. Oh no, where is it? It's right here. It's dripping down my face. Oh yeah, I didn't take my makeup off. Well, yeah. You know, I really like this, you know. I mean, it's the first time I'm using it, and you know, just hoping that after a while of using it, everything will start taking effect. And you know, my face is doing really good with all of the other products that I've made. And you know, I'm just gonna continue using everything and just hope that my face feels a lot better by the time quarantine's over so I can have a glow up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever used rose water or rosehip oil on your face before. Alright, bye!